Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? Hope everybody's having a great day. Well, today we have another unbagging. Let's see who this is from and who we do a review for. Alright. Well, let me get the scissors out of the way. We have a diamond painting. And we have a pre-stamped cross stitch. So this is from PaintSomeWay. So we'll start with the diamond painting. And it was $3.99. I hate these plastic bags. Really wish they'd get past using them. Okay, this is a 30 by 30. I'm sure it was right side up here. But it's not very big. Oh, it does have, oh wow. This is like old school. Comes with an inventory sheet. Comes with your basic toolkit and a few little plastic bags. Let's open this up here first, because there's an actual picture that I can show you. Well, that is if I can get it out of there. Alright. Yeah, this is the way hooligans used to come. So it looks like it has 19 colors. And there is a rose right there. Let's see. With a big butterfly on it. But I thought it was going to be really pretty. I don't know. We'll have to see. It does have the product number. And on this list, it tells you how many little bags you have of each color. These are the symbols. Put that over there. And we're just not going to take this out of here. But you see all the beautiful colors. There's blues, yellows, pinks, reds, oranges. Beautiful. And they do have the numbers printed on each one. So, yeah. But I thought it was kind of cute, and it'd be interesting to see how it looks. But for under $4, it'll need to be ironed though. Very sticky. I'm trying not to touch it, because it'll attach itself to my hand. But it wasn't big, so I figured I could probably do that about a week. And I haven't gotten any diamond paintings in a while. Very pretty. Very, very pretty. And I'm looking for my tape measure. It is 30 that way. And back it out. I'm so sorry. That was my fault. Okay. So it's 30 the other way and really close to 30 this way. Actual picture size is 9 3/4 or 25 by 25, so 9 3/4 square. But I just thought it was pretty and something different to do. I usually don't get these kind of things. It does look a little pixelated, so hopefully the rose and the butterfly will come out, and then you got all that miscellaneous background stuff. So we'll see. It'll be just one of those summer things, you know. Alright, let's get on to the cross stitch. This cross stitch is 100 by 45 centimeters. It was $19.99. And it's in a crinkly bag. I'm going to get rid of that first. Very crinkly. As you can see, it has lots of colors. Flip it over here. isn't that stunning? Look at those pink, like, I don't know if they're plum blossoms, cherry blossoms. I don't think they're cherry blossoms. But yeah, it's an 11 count. And it did not have a company name, so it's kind of a do-it-yourself one. Nice, big paper pattern. It does have how to do, how to start, how to end, what to do in the beginning and the end. This has 50 colors. So you got some big areas. You are going to have some confetti here and there. But yeah, I saw this and I went nuts. Yeah, had to have it. Does have the colors running down the sides, DMC number, the symbols, and then the numbers on the thread cards. This paper pattern will match your canvas. Yeah, but very nicely printed and very big. I don't see any smears, anywhere in the ink, so that's good. So I wouldn't have to personally have this blown up, but some people might. So that's completely up to you. Oh, I was going to look at the colors. You silly girl. Alright, so we got note 310. You have 550 purple. No 666 red. There's no reds in this. You have 820, which is kind of a navy blue, if you will. 939. No 3371, but you do have 3865 for your white. So let's take a look at all those colors. Now it does come with a little kit. Oh, there it is. I'm like, it doesn't have a threader in it, because I don't have any of these. About 10,000 of these things by now. There are 5 needles, poof ball, thimble, and a needle threader. And we have the little bird. I don't know if you can see that or not. I'll just kind of... There you go. He's right there. Yeah, so this time it's a bird. A bird for birds, right? Okay. And they did put the threads into a separate bag, like that. Does have how big it is here, and the product number right here on this bag. There are lots of hanks of thread. Get that out of the way. My goodness, that was noisy. So, let's see. We have 820. That must be for the peacock feathers. So you got 2 of those. Then you have this really pretty blue. It is 803. Then you have this like a medium beige, I guess. And it is 3861. Isn't that pretty? It's just kind of shiny-ish. And you have 413, which is kind of a greenish charcoal color. I don't know how else to explain it. It's kind of got some gray in it. We have this yellow here, which is kind of a medium pale. It's not bright and vivid yellow. And that's 677. It's kind of a different color. Never saw that color before. You have a hank of number 3835. Isn't that a beautiful purple? It's more of a plum color. It's got some reds in it. And look at this teal. 3842. Must be for the peacock feathers, I'm guessing. I don't know. That's about all I can see from the picture at a distance. It's 3078, and that's kind of a bright baby yellow, if you will. So that's all the hanks. That's enough, right? Oh my goodness. Let me shake this down. Yeah. All right. So there's all your beautiful colors. That's 550 purple here. And there's some more of that muted. Well, I guess that is a different color, isn't it? No, that doesn't match. Not at all. There's your 550 purple. I don't know what colors those are. Very, very beautiful, dark, rich colors. You've got more teals over here. Even a dark coral. This is kind of a, I don't know. It's kind of a, I don't know. I got nothing. I'll just let you look. How's that? Very beautiful, beautiful, beautiful colors. Okay, now comes the fun part. Okay, hold that thought. I'm going to lay all those in the middle, and we're just going to wrap them all up, because we do not want to lose a thing. Okay, there'll be a crunch. Set it up there, out of the way. And let's look at the canvas. It is serged all the way around. Now some of the serging went into the numbers, but you have your paper pattern, so it didn't get into the symbols, so you're golden. But yeah, it's going to be a little bit, pretty much. At 29, that's at 820 blue. Ugh, there's a lot of it. Right through the middle. So there are some big areas, but down, you know, where there's details of like flowers and stuff, it would be down there. So I don't think I can hold that thought. I don't think I can measure this. So what we're going to do is fold that out, fold you this way. We're going to do a halvesy. Okay. So it is 46 or 18 inches that way, and it is 19 and a half or 49 and a half. So 50 would be 100. So yeah, because I can't unfold it, it's just too much. But yeah, it's going to be beautiful. But God, there are some big, huge... Can you see those big areas? Holy cow. Yeah, you know, you do this confetti over here, down here for a while, and then you go over here and you do like that much of that, because I would be so bored by the time I got here with one color. And then you can go back to doing all your confetti. But see, that confetti lies in these flowers here, and here, and here, and here. So, yeah. But I just thought that was so pretty. And the product number is on this paper, as well as it's right here on your canvas. It's 100 by 45 centimeters. It's 409 by 169. This is a nice, thin canvas. I like those, especially on the big ones, because you know this is gonna weigh some weight when it gets, you know, halfway done. Yeah, but I love it. I thought it was beautiful, and I really like the pink little flowers that hang here and there. I have found out that wisteria comes in several different colors. That just FYI. Just putting it out there. I thought they were only in purple, so what do I know? So I don't know that that is wisteria or not, but I know this isn't. This is probably plum blossoms, because it's not on a tree. Cherry trees are cherry trees. The plums must grow on a vine type thing, like a short bush, if you will. I don't know. I've never seen a plum bush, branch, anything in person, so I got nothing. Yeah. But yeah, this is a beautiful, beautiful kit, so we will probably have to start it very soon. Now, PaintSomeWay has diamond paintings and cross stitch. They also have paint by number. They do custom in all three of those. They usually have free shipping on orders over $49. If that has changed, I will put that in the description below if they have any specials going on, since it's Chinese New Year's. They do have a Separate Joy Sunday section, And they have beaded cross stitch. I'm not sure if they have, what do you call it, embroidery or anything like that, but they do have tools and crafts for diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. So do check them out. Thank you, PaintSomeWay, for sending me these beautiful kits. I think this is just lovely. Yeah, I don't know how long it's going to take me before I have to start this because, you know, it is what it is. And I think I'll start with that lovely blue on his tail. Just so I can stitch with that color because it's a beautiful color. Alright guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. And please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye.